Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of privacy on the application of Hacoo. You will click on settings, then you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will search about the application of Hacoo. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will wait a moment, then you will turn off your airplane mode again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.